Pilea plant, also known as the Chinese money plant. Pilea are known for their bright green coin-shaped leaves. The Chinese money plant has also been known to symbolize abundance and prosperity. It's been used in Feng Shui by placing the plant in a particular parts of a room to encourage good fortune. They grow well in dry conditions, can adapt to low light areas, and are fast growing, making them low maintenance and great for beginner plant owners. How to care for Pilea plant? Lighting. Pilea plants love indirect light. Do not place your Pilea in direct sunlight since it will scorch the leaves. Rotate it at least 2 to 3 times a week since it grows towards the sun. This plant can adapt to lower light areas, but the leaves will turn a darker green and the plant will spread out more. Watering. Watering this plant once a week will be sufficient. Be careful with waterings. It requires a drench and dry approach. Water thoroughly, then let the soil dry out, along with weekly mistings. Pilea do not like soggy soil. Watch the leaves. When they start looking a tad droopy, it's time to water your plant. In warmer weather, they need to be watered more frequently. Temperature. Pilea grows well in normal weather. Pilea will be happiest in normal household temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees. However, make sure that your Pilea plant does not sit near air conditioners or room heaters as it may drop its leaves. If lower leaves on your Pilea are turning yellow and falling off most often, this is due to an issue with waterings. It is more common for this plant to be overwatered rather than underwater. If the soil feels dry, then your plant likely needs a drink. If your Pilea leaves are drooping, Pilea's leaves often droop when the plant is thirsty. Feel the soil, and if it's dry to the touch in the top few inches, then your plant is asking for water. Pilea could be droopy if the plant may not be receiving enough light. This plant prefers a bright but indirect light source. It will not fare well in low light conditions. If you notice white spots on your Pilea, they are most likely caused by salts and chemicals in your water. If you do not have a filtration system, leaving the tap water in an open container overnight before watering can help remove some of the chlorine and fluoride. This plant is quite communicative. Watch for the leaves beginning to droop, as this can be a sign that it needs water. Hope you liked the video. For more health and lifestyle videos, don't forget to hit subscribe. Stay healthy, stay cool.